Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody messaged me on Facebook saying when they hit Control All, which is a standard deal in almost a lot of software like WordPerfect or Word, and in Corel it comes up with objects, text, and something else. It's a menu bar, and it's very helpful if we go to Edit and select just the text, and then I can delete the text. So that's a pretty unique item. You don't have to, if you want to get rid of everything, you can just select it and hit delete. So the only thing I don't get when I do Control All, I don't get that. But I'm going to make it work. I'm going to go to Tools, Options, and Customization, maybe inadvertently or an older version of Corel. And I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go select all. And see, there's no shortcut for it. So I'm going to make a shortcut. I'm going to go Control A. And then I'm going to go to assign and say, okay. Now, when I do Control A, I get the submenus that she did. So it's really a good thing. You know, if you want to delete everything anyway, all you have to do is select it all with your pick tool and hit delete. I kind of like the Control A with the menu, but when you don't want that, you can just select it all and delete it. Anyway, I'm going to still look into it a little bit more, but I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.